Who's that? It's me. I just came to see what Justice has in store to kill another sound. No, sir!
Who is it?
Me, Master.
And what is it now?
The whole affair of the killing machine, Master, is about Justice Sound, Master.
Did they went to the older man?
Yes, Master.
Or they still stink of the Holy Omen substance?
Yes, Master.
Will it work?
No, Master. Justice is too dangerous for them, Master.
So Justice never tried the same flip-up thing with Addies, man.
Yeah, but and this is what I'm saying. But are they wrong for doing that?
But you're Justice has
been doing it for many years. Though it's just not working for him as well as it's working for
Justice is doing
for jugglers.
No.
But what I'm saying, caller, is that would you like to see more of this happen?
Yeah.
Say what? That you say? Well, here where Justice have to say. Hold on.
Make me one coffin, dig me one grave.
Vampires who don't like to see you prosper, only like to see you suffer. On the set of vampires, vampires only trod upon creation with your bloody meditation. On the set of vampires, on the fight against awfulness, on the fight against creation, on the fight against everything good for the younger generation. On the old vampires, on the wickedness at midnight, and on the humble when it's daylight. On the set of vampires, on the old vampires, only like to see blood running. Make sure you know it's fire burning on the set of vampire.
The man, the message, the mystic. Mr. Bob Marley, tell us, what do you think makes a song like Justice such a force to be reckoned with? Well, right now my life is my life, you know what I mean? If me feel live my life and I really say Justice I kill the sound, when I don't really want it. And a sound for really remember says I shot the sheriff and I'm gonna get shot too.
Yeah. Got him now. Hey, boy. What's up? Get your ass up. Time to go. You going for a little walk. Close 7. Hey, man. Hey, man. What? I never did like you. Open it up. Trapping me. Alright. Calm down. You got any last words?
Yeah, I got some last words. Fuck all y'all.
Switch.
Was America willing to maintain order, no matter what the cost?
Say what you wanna say, yeah. That's not Justice concern. Juvenile will never lose his way, yeah. Forward we're going, have no time to justice. Them can't get you down. Could never get you down. Puppets and vipers around. They try to push you to the ground. Juvenile, them can't get you down. Could never get you down. Cause where's the one who wears the crown? The one who sits and David's throne. Today for you, tomorrow for me, that's how we go. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, you better know. Life is a cycle, naturally, that's how it flows. I am an overcomer, I can't be overthrown. Justice, every day you give your thanks and praise. But he's the one who give you length of days. When you're timid, he makes you brave. To fight against those who try to put you in a grave. Them can't get you down. Could never get you down. Hypocrites got selectors around. They try to push you to the ground. Justice, them can't get you down. Could never get you down. Just praise the one who wears the crown, the one who sits on David's throne.
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Tell us, boom. Juvenile. Burn, burn them out. That one on them chop. Who do you think you are? You're just a little dead sound. Dead sound. As wicked as you think you are, you're just a little dead sound. Dead sound. As mad as you think you are, you're just a little dead sound. Dead sound. As tough as you think you are, you're just a little. Justice that tell them say that day has come. Justice stand and see all these post hole in the fire getting on. That day has come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day has come. Now I shall see they handing over jobs and bayonets and bullets and guns. That day has come when Emperor Selassie rise the whole of the justice suit them from the slum yard. And it's there when I look up on their face, for all those evil led to the human race and try to take things out of place, run away to space, through them in a haze. Wow. Well, if you want a judgment, you will go get a taste. When them find out so that them can't escape, sadness stays and on the people them chase. Smile on my face, that day has come. Justice and all this wicked sound in the fire. I'm not say justice, I'm not say juvenile. Yeah man, Rastafari is the ultimate. Right now what a step we are stepping a Babylon face. So we burn Charles Bush and Tony Blair, the Pope and the Queen, from them now live clean to equal rights and justice for all people. Yeah. Yo, Selassie I live it every time. Emmanuel live it every time. Justice I kill them sound boy all the time. Yo, boy if you this Marcus, then you must bite the dust. Equal rights and justice, that's what they taught us. If you this Selassie boy you going die. Emperor Selassie your guide I die. This Emmanuel, down the Nile, every knee shall bow and every tongue shall tell them. Enough of them I walk with them evil spell. In and corruption, enough of them all as well. I am no places where them wickedness dwell. True vanity, all them soul them a sell. Man a ton, Batman, woman a ton, Jezebel. The earth is the fullness where everything dwell. Then you find heaven, then you find hell. When you see the justice peace, the tribunal, I sat my rock and all. Boy, for this Marcus, then you must bind the dust. Equal rights and justice, that's what he taught us. If you this Selassie, boy you going die. Emperor Selassie, you going die. This Emmanuel, down the Nile, every knee shall bow and every tongue. Justice we look in ourselves and see who we are. Take a little look and look back on the star. Watch out the Eden, them not step from wall. Atomic energy increase for the wall. Them a fly go watch Jupiter, fly go on Mars. All them a fly, them still can't touch the star. Be an eagle, the dragon, three of them a fall. Some is what Selassie, him not the fall. Rule our nation and conquer all war. This justice, y'all a bitch. Why? What about somebody?
Justice, equal rights and justice. No peace. Tell them no I. Justice is Anthony B. And we tell them say, yaga. Justice will tell you say what. No sound one plan the can. The whole of them want ready ban. Who you are gonna blame it on? When a justice them a depend on. They find pattern. Them now one plan the can. The whole of them want ready ban. Happy play your original song if you want contest. Justice was looking a start. Just a little ease off. No one would help me push this whole and get them a laugh. Never take me serious. So many fools and toss, but those I pass every day. My Lord, I have to pray and aware. Justice they never realize. We took operation. Could I unify? We lead the frustration. Instead they want to ride up on them with a back. No tears, no tears. If me but it's a pardon. Now sound one plan they can. The whole of them want to give a hand. Who you are gonna blame it on? When justice came and depend on.
Justice not just a come. Long time we day and that son. Yeah. No stop it and a pretty young. When I did the piece of white come put one down.
Oh, run up them mouth, say at them rule dance hall. Empty barrel, yes, make the most noise. Back up your tin pan sound boy. Justice in a category, you know just a gun. Long time we hear and
justice got to cut it down. Surely will not do that boy. Justice sound come to execute all Eden. And as far as the Rastaman see, a people that live Eden. Justice sound come to execute all Eden. And as far as the religion see, a people that live Eden. Watch this.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. Whoa. Yeah. No, that's a mistake. Make them too. I say one for them selector, one for them winner. Georgie Party. Can't you see that justice is taking over? Taking over. Ooh. Well, enough young fish want swimming in we water. In we water. Hey, them punk, them must be bright. They stand out of order. Out of order, cause how we are do the killing, them do the burying. Justice now go around tasking, you know we are do the killing, them do the burying. This a sound now ram, no ram tasking.
And still, the heavyweight champion of the world, Justice with Juvenile. Are you ready to rumble?
Stand up, attention!
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil power. Through our lives with countless hours. Through all leaders, great defenders, grant true wisdom from above. Justice, truth be ours forever. Justice, the people them love.
Greetings from your war general, the global boss, Justice, Juvie. Blessed love to one and all. Justice, the reward for good, the punishment for evil. Equality for everyone, no one left out. Fire burn a double standard. Fire burn hypocrite and hypocrisy. Fire burn bad mind. Fire burn oppressor. Fire burn a 21st century slave master. Fire burn a wolf in sheep clothing. More life and prosperity for my people. Blessed love to one and all. Big up to all the Justice fans and supporters over the years. Thank you all for believing in us when others didn't. But our work is not done yet. So we march forward to fight our oppressors in the battle of good over evil. Let us all feel confident in the victory, as the good God Almighty never failed us yet. Over the years, one of the most frequent questions asked to us by Clash fans is, Justice, why are you having such a slow growth in the Sound Clash arena? Sometimes we'll say it's not our time yet. Sometimes we'll say politics. Never really want to blame no one person for another man's downfall, cause at the time we felt that every man decided his or her destiny. But now life teaches us that people can see your potential and set booby traps, stumbling blocks in your way, especially when you are not a part of their circle, their gang, their organization. They has no control over you, and you pose a major threat in the game we all love, but they control and say they are the king of it. Yes, it can be a rugged road to success. But still we are confident in the victory. They did not sponsor us, they did not contribute to our cause, but still yet we rise. It is hard to get our story out because the people who are holding us back has all the reggae major outlets in their pocket. Sometimes it feels like one man against the world. But where there is a will, there is a way. Thank God for social media today. So to my fans, I say, keep the faith. It's not celebration time yet. We got to be strong in the fight for justice and equality. Opening statement. A war has been going on over 10 years. Justice Sound versus Chin and Mighty Crown. Ever since we ran into them, Mighty Crown, Chin 2004 and a juggling dance. We went on first, killing everything, entertaining the clash fans. Mighty Crown and Metro Media come on after, putting up no resistance in their tune, but throwing a lot of words. The very next day, Chin take it to his website, trying his very best to assassinate the Justice name and character, labeling us as a flipper and bushwhacker, saying that we are no good. Them are idiot sound, that idiot thing then keep up on the big Mighty Crown and Metro Media. That we should give up because we will never make it in the business. From that day till now, every show we do, Chin and his alliance take it as their anointed, appointed duty to review it and give us bad remarks. Them no good. Them a flipper. Them a bushwhacker. Them must give up cause them no make it in the business. We are sick of the double standard and we will not take it anymore. For over 10 years, Chin and his alliance will go on to try discrediting us, belittling us, spreading propaganda under Justice name, saying that we are not to be trusted, snake under grass, just because we entertain clash fans in a juggling dance. Never once give us any credit for our contribution to keeping Sound Clash alive. All we got is disrespect from them and the Associated Press. At the same time, from then till now, every sound that tried the same thing what we have done, flipping up on another sound, Chin and his alliance will go on to congratulate them, embrace their works, give them interview and gallivant over it, push and promote them, etc., saying that they are bringing excitement back to the Sound Clash arena. Even when they do it on a mediocre level of how we do things, they will still go on to get recognized for it. Make one wanna ask, where the bad mind thing for? I say there will be no double standard in Sound Clash. The justice will have to be heard. So I think this is a good time to try Chin and Ninja case in the courts of the people. Courts in order. Case type, morality. Defendant, Chin and Soundchat Radio, irishandchin.com versus Justice Sound and the Gambler. Charges, charge 1, promoting a double standard in Sound Clash. Charge 2, promoting racism in Sound Clash. Charge 3, promoting hypocrite and hypocrisy in Sound Clash. Charge 4, bad mind. Charge 5, imitating a journalist, spreading lies and propaganda. Charge 6, being a fake Rasta man. Charge 7, thieving ideas, not paying royalties or giving credits. Charge 8, treason. Charge 9, genocide. I have confidence in the victory that we will find them guilty in our 9 charge of fraud. What is good for the goose is also good for the gander. No double standard in reggae music. Closing. Defense opening statement. August 26, 2014.
Big up to everybody tuned in again. And my Sound Clash people, listen. There is this situation going on, right? With a sound system by the name of Jugglers, right? Coming out of Europe, Germany to be exact, right? And they have been creating a buzz in the industry. Now, I don't know if they're taking the right approach or the wrong approach to this buzz, but they're creating a big buzz in the industry right now. This goes to show that with proper marketing, a proper team, and strategic placement, any young sound can just come up and create a hype for themselves. They don't have to wait on promoters and fans and all of this stuff that some of the sound systems of today make excuses about. Now, Jugglers had, during Dream Weekend, they had what would you call it, a musical altercation with Tony Matterhorn, in which many people would say that they won, or it is being publicized that they won. Matterhorn, of course, is saying that Jugglers never kill him. Jugglers is saying that they scored on Matterhorn, right? Again, Matterhorn's argument is that, come on, Chin, they can't kill Tony Matterhorn, according to Tony Matterhorn. Since then, there has now been another Jugglers altercation with Kilimanjaro. Now, Freddy Krueger and Jugglers end up squaring off at a dance in the country in Jamaica. And again, it is being said that Jugglers won the clash. Shatta Paul's team is now saying we kill Jaro and we kill Matterhorn, right? The question was before, Freddie claims that this is the wrong approach to bust a sound. That's what he said in the audio recording that he made, right? It's the wrong way to bust a sound, which is sucker punching, right? As what you said, Lion, it's sucker punching.
But it wasn't, Chin, it wasn't.
Why he do that at 3 o'clock in the morning,
No,
call a please hold.
It wasn't sucker punch, Chin.
How you mean it wasn't sucker punch?
Because no. In Freddie's speech, him said it was a juggling and he was playing some tune.
Yeah.
But when you play the audio, Freddie said out time mouth say something about juggle war and clash. So basically he was aware that this is a clash.
Well, he was aware it looks like that it was turning into a clash.
It was turning a clash.
Now, Lion, what are you feeling about? You're feeling that it was a sucker punch.
It's a cheap shot.
No, it's not.
Cheap shot. You have 12 people in the dance and you running tunes like that, man.
Listen.
Why wasn't you that brave at 3 o'clock in the morning, God?
Listen, it no matter how much people in the dance.
Call a please hold.
It no matter what people in the dance. You understand? This is what we used to do back in the days. When juggling dance I keep, we turn it in a clash dance.
Yeah.
You understand?
But not at 7 o'clock in the morning.
It doesn't matter what time of night. But Freddie clearly was aware that this is turning into a clash because him sort of time mouth said, yo, juggling war and clash war. So he knows it's a clash.
Here becomes the question. Is it okay to do the sneak attack in a clash? Call it your life. Is it okay to do a sneak attack in a clash? Is it okay to do the sneak attack in a clash? Call it your life. Is it okay to do a sneak attack in a clash?
But not at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Remember, back in them time, then a crowd of the dance. When you juggle, you throw punch. But the same thing happened to Mighty Crow in our country. And I forgot that the same thing happened to the base of this dance. But the people them say, give us some clash.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes. And that was a juggling dance. I turned to a clash. You see what I mean?
Yes. I forgot what happened to them.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened to Crown?
Call it your life.
Chin.
Yes. Is it okay to throw a sucker punch in a sound clash, in a juggling dance? Or is it something that if the dance don't say war, then, both sounds must honor that and not war?
Well, listen. Enemy is necessary for your sound to look stripe. A sound will do it. So you cannot rule out nothing.
Yes.
Okay.
All is during war, so that's it.
Okay. Call you live. Is it okay to throw a sucker punch in a juggling dance?
Chin, the man them could have played one tune when a wicked squeeze and bust the place. If them dead that way, let them dead that way. Just coffee settlement, that's all.
All right, cool. Call you live.
Greetings, Chin.
Yes.
Chin, this is what you do when you're a young sound and you want to separate yourself from other sounds.
Right.
You brush up the big man them. This is what you do. This is how Matterhorn gets fully loaded.
With 10 people in the dance?
One love.
With 10 people in the dance?
It doesn't matter. Who's talking about it now? It could be one person. Look, Chin on
we're talking about it on Soundcloud. Exactly.
You get me? So it could have been half a person in the dance. The dance could have been empty. Chin is talking about it now, which means that he's not talking about another sound. He's talking about jugglers. So whatever jugglers wanted to do, it's worth it.
They accomplished
it.
Hold on. Let me cross-examine them, brother. Make me defend the justice. And me defend the justice. Ease yourself, gambler. Me got this. And me defend the justice. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the gambler. Ease yourself, gambler. Me got this. You will get your chance. Let me cross-examine them, brother. Is that the same ninja that was playing Mighty Crown the 2 times when we killed them, who cursed us from the start to the end of the dance for booking a juggling dance and then turn it into a clash, is now confessing that he used to do the same thing? Is that the same Chin who says a idiot thing we are keep up is not working for us, is now saying that the same idea is working for another sound who just tried it? I say they are hypocrites. I say fire burn a double standard. What do you say? Innocent or guilty?
Before you say anything, I want to point this out, right? Here's something that I want to point out. It seems like, okay, Sean is saying my gosh, right? My gosh is from Switzerland, right? Now you got jugglers from Germany, right? That's coming in. These guys are using the traditional way of bossing their sound. They're not going through the whole 15, 10 years to boss. These guys are saying, okay, we're going to spend our money out. We're going to get somebody for make we play with the big man them. We're going to juggle alongside the big man them. And we're going to cut 2 or 3 tune and see if we can win and get them an uppercut.
Chin, let me point out something. When we do the same exact thing that you just mentioned of, the headline on your website would be Justice Flip again, Justice Ambush again. But when they do it, is the traditional way of busting your sound? Is it because I'm black? I say you're a hypocrite. I say that's double standard. People, what do you say? Innocent or guilty?
Let me ask you this, caller. Is a kill a kill? Because Freddie is saying, and Jaro fans are saying that man you can't possibly kill Kilimanjaro. Is a kill a kill?
Listen to this chin. Any song I go play against you, Mighty Crown, base of this say, Ireland, Stony Mataran. Them a go with a door set. Them a go throw a punch. No matter where them catch them or where them butt them, the man them want to make them name. Them a say them have no whole platoon, yes, but them want to kill them.
See,
it don't matter.
I agree. Now, gotta say big up to Kilimanjaro, of course, and big up to Freddie for giving me the interview. And I'm halfway in this one because I understand where Freddie come from, right? And I understand what Lion is saying. Lion is saying, Chin, I not kill that 3 minutes before the dance in front of 15 people. But again, if we look at the rules of traditional sound clash, these little juggling dances turn war. It's what's bringing back the excitement. And the only thing that I'm saying now is that what I'm trying to point out is that why did it take the Europeans to realize that this is needed in the clashes then? Why didn't it take the regular yard man them and the man them we have sound in our Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx and England and these places to realize that, yo, this is what we need to do to get this thing going. If Radigan and Mighty Crown are play, Mighty Crown now violate Radigan, Radigan now violate Mighty Crown. BSRDC and Stone Love up here, the same thing is going to happen. And it kind of takes away the interest out of the dance. Them man here come back in and them a put some flavor in the thing.
What a Rastaman wicked. Me never see a Rastaman for tell so much lie yet. Chin, lightning and thunder in your mouth. Chin, there is a sound that has been bringing that form of entertainment to the world. From Jacksonville, Florida. Name Justice Sound with Juvie, aka Global Boss, aka the War General. The same sound you and your alliance named the Flipper, the Ambusher, the Bushwhacker, never to be trusted. What happened to you, Chin? All of a sudden you get Alzheimer's. Well, Chin, I dare you, double dare you, triple dare you to find a sound in this world that has a better track record than Justice, doing this form of entertainment in the past 10 years. You don't have to tell us that we are bringing a vibes to the Clash Arena. That's something we already know. With over 1 million views on YouTube in a year, over 90,000 views, Kilimanjaro, Justice, the ultimate flip dance. I would say you have just convicted yourself of treason at the highest level. We can clearly see now that Chin has a problem with Justice. Chin, you go have to change your name from Chin to Peter, the one who denied the Messiah. People, what do you say? Guilty or not guilty?
But here's the thing. It was juggling dances that was turned into Clash. I never really seen, but every now and again, a man try a thing and a thing work for them.
Yeah, man.
And it creates a hype. So
Jara and jugglers dance, right? When you as a sound, as a big sound as Jara and them sound, right? And you subject yourself into playing tune for tune. Because them say I play 4 tune.
Right.
So you subject yourself into play tune for tune.
But I say any card can play.
You know, put yourself in a position, a Clash position, you put yourself in the so if you play by the audio, the first 30 seconds of the audio, Freddie already say, yo, a Clash War and Juggle War. Sam already know say, yo, me I play 4 big tune and only can't play it.
So he signed the contract.
So you basically say, me I play 4 but big dub play but only can't play. So all the man do is come back and counteract him talk and play song. So him dead. And that's the same day.
No. So basically,
it doesn't matter who in the place. Him dead. Him subject himself to that point.
Basically, look what happened though. Look what happened. It's like they went out on a limb and said, okay, anyhow Freddie played the tenor saw, then we are gonna play this. Freddie played the tenor saw, and this is what happened. Now, mind you, if Freddie catch them money in a real dance, he probably broke them up from first round.
At that point, Freddie tell the man him say I'm gonna play a song when only can't play.
And Freddie
the man say he gonna play 4 songs that no sounds can play.
But
that's a clash.
Chin.
That's for you to sucker punch me.
We are here about a party where the who dead you know. Freddie say him not fight no baby war a big league him a going now. So he's trying to say, yo, I'm bigger than you. Me in a bigger league than you. So the man say, alright Freddie, play a song them. But me I come back and come answer you. So it's a clash.
With Luciano?
All of your life.
With Luciano? Still get better, Freddie.
Yes, I don't even. No, hold on, wait, stop. I don't even agree with Ninja more time, and Ninja making the most sense right now. You hear me? Because listen to me now. Oh, you a big sound, you Jaro, whatever. So what? I see Ricky Chupa, but at the height of Ricky Chupa hype, go up against Mataran when you have nothing, and it's the little block out rhythm with Tony Mataran pop up Chupa.
This is true.
Sometimes Jaro, when you telling me about big sound and whatever, if you don't come prepared, you understand me? Any night you could get
swing for your foot. And this is what I think. This is what call up, please hold. This is what sound system need to go back to. Yeah. Juggling dance, anything can happen.
Anything goes.
You know, but here's it. Don't mash up the promoter dance.
Right.
Don't do it at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Okay. But in the last half, when you
know, do your thing. You do your one.
Really, Chin? Really, Ninja? So what the 10 years of bad press for? Even the caller is shocked to hear y'all talking like this. Chin, remember once on your radio show, you said that we must give up, stop trying, we're not going nowhere. That was your advice to us. Wanna be Rastaman, Chin? Tell those wise words to your son and daughters, if you have any. I say double standard, injustice, them a hypocrite, fake Rasta, or it must be because I'm black. People, what do you have to say? Them innocent or them guilty?
Here's the thing, were they wrong to do so? Because I am not going to stay here on the radio and say that man them killed Jaro, right?
No,
I'm definitely not going to say that. But were they right for what they did, or were they wrong for what they did?
They was right. They was right.
They were wrong for tweaking that idiot.
No. They was right. They was right. I would have took the shot.
Answer them wrong. Call you alive.
Anybody would have took that.
Freddie's a hypocrite.
Freddie's a hypocrite? Why you say that?
Yeah, because if it went the other way around, where Jaro got the victory, the next dance he would say, yo, he lost to the killer soul from Germany last week. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, just because he lost, now he's being a sore loser. But if he won, he would have took the victory.
So you agree with the cheap shot then, as people are calling it?
He lost on 4 tunes.
Yeah, because at least they're not paying. At least he didn't pay Freddie to take the loss.
Which you couldn't true that.
Caller, you're live.
Ken, yeah, I want to know, right? Why it is every time Jaro or one of them song from Jamaica or basically say a song catch like a hype on them is a problem. When them do it to Mataran, it wasn't nothing. Me sure if those Addies that are playing a dance and them they do that on Addies, the whole world would have say, whoa, the song kill Addies are there because it's Jaro.
So you agree with the sneak attack in the juggling dances?
I mean, because that's the only way the little song them can push out them head. You know what I'm saying?
But be fair about it, but be fair about it.
Fair, okay. Caller, please. So, what do you mean be fair, though, Ryan? Say, explain what you mean by being fair.
Young sounds, take the shot, but be fair about it. You did not kill a sound, all right? You did not kill a sound. There's no way jugglers could beat Kilimanjaro. Any man knows that. There's no way. Be fair about it. Say you took the shot, you got some forwards in it, but you didn't kill him.
Caller, you're live.
Hey, Chin, let me tell you something. The man them right, man. Really and truly know them can't kill Jar because the stages are clash from day one, round for round. But them little young sound, you have to remember the tactic, you know. When you rush a sound at hours of the morning, the clash can't last more than maybe a half hour. That means you and Fiend tune box them even at that time.
Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Good. That's a good way to put it. Good way to put it. Caller, you're live. Caller, you're live.
Chin.
Yes.
Yeah. It's not about killing Jaro, you know. But just remember, once a song have talent, any given night, them can have a good night on a big hardcore song. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Because some song they make it seem like they can kill Jaro. Because when Mataran they do to Jaro in a your dance, what that is, you know what I'm saying?
That was a kill. That Mataran bust off of that. Mataran went to World Clash 99 based on that kill.
And one more thing. When Jaro, with Chupa play Turbo Phonic at D-side, what happened to him? That's a write-off.
Scene. Big talk.
But Chin, you have to also remember saying, you know, I saw Firelinks boss of a Mataran, you know.
Ah, good point.
I saw that
was how Firelinks boss.
And Firelinks
it was another Irish and Chin dance.
Firelinks we till everything boil long and nice and them is a rush Mataran.
I think it was about 2000, January 25th, right? In Q Club, Lion, and it was true because Lion, you were there. It was a juggling dance between Mataran. It was a juggling dance between Mataran and Firelinks, right? Mataran has already was on his stardom career. Firelinks was just leaving Bodyguard, and in the dance, Mataran and Firelinks said, "Make we have a play war." And Mataran said, "None of my war, them man a play war."
Just like we Freddie said,
right? And then call a police hole. And then right after that, Mataran Links said, "All right, then make we real raw." Then and Links let it out on him, and it bust Links' career. Off of that, call you live.
Yeah, Chin. You know what I'm in a wrong jugglers do.
You know, like jugglers or you know wrong jugglers?
I'm not wrong them. Me keep big enough so the man want a slice. And if I say you're going to take one, then I say you're going to take one. I get 1 few team and I say go. Hear me now, Chin.
Go ahead.
The all talks, book 2 sound them, and if you now book them, give me a reason, let me book them, try them, go and
I don't have a problem with you booking them, man.
It's only right that the young sounds take a slap because the old sounds are not playing with the young sounds, so whenever they get the opportunity, they must slap.
Listen, this is what I'm saying, Lion, but you seem to be contradicting yourself. Because you're contradicting yourself right now. Because first you said it was a cheap shot, and now you say
it is a cheap shot, but it's a cheap shot that's worthy. But don't take a cheap shot and say you won off a cheap shot when you know in yourself that there's no way that's possible.
Listen. Oh, so you're saying just take the cheap shot,
take the cheap shot,
take the hype, but don't brag about
it, man.
Why not?
What do you mean no brag? Because if I hold you tomorrow, you cannot say that.
Hold on. If you saying to me that I take a cheap shot and I kill a big sound, I must not brag about it?
What do you mean kill? Kill as what? Kill or
score. I score.
It doesn't matter.
I score.
I should not brag about it.
Score.
I should not brag about it.
But don't brag about it.
Why not? So you must be out your mind.
So let's look at it then. Maybe it should not be called a kill. It should be called a score.
It's a slap.
Listen to the hypocrite them. Them all are contradict themselves. Shin, I will give you credit for bringing this conversation to life. The art of flipping, although you is 10 years behind. It is now official by Chin and Sound Clash Fraternity, the promoters of World Clash, that flipping is legal. Not only did it legal, it's an official kill or a slap or a shot whenever time them decided. Let me know, but it's official. No, but in the meantime, it is now certified that Jaro dead 1 time, Mighty Crown dead 2 time, Addis dead 1 time, Bass Odyssey run, and many other sound that we don't want to mention of this time. It is now official. No hypocrisy, no double standard. In reggae, I don't take cheap shots. All my contenders were warned. There may be a possibility of war. Jaro was warned. Mighty Crown was warned the first time. We never signed a peace agreement, so the second time, the war continues with Mighty Crown. Addis was in retirement, so them never know what a go on. Or true, we know them, maybe they think that we was gonna take a dive. No sneak attack here. All our events start 12, 1 o'clock, lasting 3 to 4 hours, giving our opponent more than enough time to defend themselves. Anyways, I cannot be ungrateful, so at this time I'm gonna take this opportunity to say thank you Ninja, thank you Chin, Sound Chat, the promoters of World Clash, for approving my victories. Hypocrites, no double standard in reggae. Ninja, what you say Ninja? I can brag and boast about it. Uno continue, but like how uno defend the justice now. Hypocrites, no double standard in reggae.
It's a slap, it's a slap, even better, even slap. Him get 2 bucks, you unexpected, now look back step at that Freddy get.
It's a now look lick.
Right? So why should I be Brock say, yo, my box of Freddy last night?
No, but box is different than kill.
In all honesty, right? This is what needs to happen in the industry right now, right? To start to intensify sound system entertainment, because right now sound system entertainment is boring. The juggling dances are boring. And that's why the big selectors from all over the world are no longer coming to your town as often as they used to, because there's no demand for them. They're not pulling a crowd, right? And the promoters are saying, well, let me pay, Chin $300 to play a couple of CDs as opposed to playing the big sound $3,000 to play, right? So we need to get some energy going in the sound system culture. Now, a sound such as Mighty Crown, Kilimanjaro, Bass Odyssey, and the list goes on, right? All this means to me is that every night that you come to work, you got to be on your toes to expect whatever.
But yo,
and that's how it should be.
Really, Chin? So what the 10 years of bad press for?
What I'm saying is that now that Jugglers is doing, I would like to see some more people do the same thing.
Yeah. What true that?
You know what I mean? So when you're a big sound and you come to work for your $3,000, your $4,000, you really come to work now. Because you don't know if this person has the, if this person is a flipper.
Well, we know him a flipper.
You know what I mean?
You hear that, Ninja?
You don't know if the person is a flipper.
Well, we know him is a flipper now.
You hear that, Ninja?
We know he's a flipper.
And that's what it is. It's a flipper. Yes.
Chin juggler boss now, cause Mighty Crown them say, boss juggler boss now.
Of course jugglers
Of course they boss now.
No, of course I boss. Well,
no,
let's not say them boss. Let me take it back.
Them grab a name.
Let me take it back.
Them grab the name.
Let me take it back, because boss is boss, right? They have now created a spark.
Him jump on the bus and chuck him
they sparked. They created a spark.
Chin, you're the biggest hypocrite in this world. You are just a wagonist, as we can hear you clearly trying to jump on the jugglers' bandwagon. We are not trying to take anything away from jugglers, because we recognize they are just imitating us. No, you can hear Chin clearly searching for words, trying his very best to find a word to replace the word that he has been scared to say all night. Flipper. Then he think about it and said, it is what it is. Flipper. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Flipper. No double standard in reggae. People of the courts, what do you say? Innocent or guilty?
here's the thing.
Chin, so Justice ever try the same flip-up thing with Addies, man?
Yeah, and this is what I'm saying. But are they wrong for doing that?
But yo, Chin,
But Justice been doing it for many, many years, though. It's just not working for him as well as it's working for
Justice is doing
for jugglers.
No.
But what I'm saying, caller, is that would you like to see more of this happen?
Yeah.
Okay, Chin, you just recognize that we has been doing this for many, many, many years now. But you also said that it's not working for us. Is it because you and your alliance and Associated Press has been giving us bad publicity, negative press for over many, 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 many years? Rastaman, clean up your heart and come. Restore the justice, honor, and glory. Chin, what you come to realize in 2014, Soundclash fans already know around the world since 2004 that Justice Sound brings excitement to the game. If you love and respect the game like how we do, then you will know that you got to uplift the builders of the game. People of the courts, what do you say? Innocent or guilty? When we return, we will have the verdict. Guilty. Him a got dead. We are stringing him up, fish and bread. Order in the court. Order in the court. Calm down. We will now have the verdict. We are hanging today. Jury number 1, how do you see it?
Guilty.
Jury number 2, guilty. Jury number 3, not guilty.
A lie.
Jury number 4,
Not guilty.
oh, this God. Thief, them man thief. Jury number 5, guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the jury did not come to a unanimous decision, so we have come to found Chin and Ninja not guilty. In closing, well, Chin, we see it clear. You're a wagonist, you don't know nothing about Rastafari. You just agree your locks to come pimp reggae music. We see it. You have to go purge and come again. Sackcloth and ashes for you. Yeah, man, bitters, hollows, roots. You go purge your heart, your soul, and your mind too. Why, I don't know what you're going to do. Because then I don't cure for bad mind. Nothing coconut water can help you. But we see it clear. You don't know nothing about Rastafari. Words of His Imperial Majesty.
Until the philosophy which old one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Miss a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. It is a war that until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality will remaining but a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. Now everywhere is war, war, and until the ignoble and unhappy regime that hold our brothers in Angola, in Mozambique, South Africa, subhuman bondage, have been toppled, totally destroyed. Well, everywhere is war. Me say war. War in the east, war in the
west. Everyone is crying out for peace, yes. Everyone is crying out for peace, yes. I don't want no peace. I need equal rights and justice. I need equal rights and justice.
Original justice.
I need equal rights and justice. Got to get it. Equal rights and justice. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. Followers of Jesus, everybody wants to go up to heaven, but none of them want to die. I don't want no peace. I might need equal rights and justice. I've got to get it. Equal rights and justice. I really need it. Equal rights and justice. Just give me my share. Equal rights. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's not all that Peter is gold. After story had never been told. So now you see the light. Hey, stand up for your right. Come on,
get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Justice. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
Most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you will look for yours on earth. And now when you see the light,
justice.
Stand up for your rights. Yeah.
Get up, stand up.
Yeah.
Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up.
Get up, stand up.
Don't give up the fight.
Life is your right.
Get up, stand up.
We can't give up the fight.
Stand up for your rights.
Lord.
Get up, stand up.
Keep us traveling on.
Don't give up the fight.
Yeah.
Just the sick and tired of your ism, schism, game, dine and go to heaven in Jesus' name, Lord. We know when we understand Almighty God is a living man. You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. So now we see the light. We gonna stand up for our rights. So you better get up, stand up
in the morning.
Give it up, stand up for your rights. Stand up right now. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Don't give it up, don't give it up. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up.
Some people would say be careful when you are dealing with such kind of people, cause you can lose your life. That I will agree on. But you still got to stand up for what you believe in. Some people say when your hands is in the lion's mouth, you must take time and take it out. Yes. But what if you don't see no lion in front of you? It's just a smoke mirror, an illusionist. When you check it out, you are the real lion. What are you gonna do then? Some people say, patient man ride donkey. The last time we check it out, nobody not ride donkey again. Benz everybody I drive. Some people say manners take you around the world. Last time I check it out, a visa and passport, credit card and cash takes you around the world. Some people says the humblest calf get the most milk. Lie them a tell. The humble calf not get none. The whole of the milk done and him not say nothing and him not get none. Don't listen to the oppressors. Stand up and fight for what you believe in. Gambler, your turn.
Look how long me tell you to make me deal with the case. Now you carry it go court and make them buy out the case. If I did me, I deal with it, them done dead and rotten long time. And you don't know, say, hands fall of fat. You don't know how them liquor sound boy a steer. Them licky like that.
I saw it go, gambler. You win some and you lose some. You have to learn to live and let live.
Wrong again. Man have it dead, fi man live. Man have it dead, fi man rise. You can't stay there. And me defend the justice. When me say, and me defend the justice, them can't escape. See you later.
Justice. We spell it W-A-R.
Welcome to the wild, wild west.
Yo, Mr. Justice, the boy can't dust this and can't crush this. I still say the first, the must be so armed to them. Long time me every time I feel like bust this. Anyway, but mine I go kill them. I'm about it, I go mad them. Tell every free of them concerned and love all the justice children. Again, mine I go kill them and justice I go mad them. Tell every free of them concerned and love all the justice children. The one on them sound, you know feel grudgeful and you know feel envious. Your heart of the clean and you must not corrupt. You know the bed of corruption, then you must not wrap up. In a certain congregation, then you must not gas up. When you see them bloody meat, then you must not cook up. When you see them devil soup, then you must not sip up. Glorify your brother works and don't get jealous. If you see your sister falling, then you must help her up. And you know feel love borrow, and you know feel love just. You know feel love fight, and you know feel love fuss. Hey, the bitty sound boy, you well unjust. If you this justice, you get fucked. But mine I go kill them. In verse it I go mad them. Tell every free of them concerns. Love all the justice children. Justice I go kill
them. It's a good day for a killing. Hey, you gringo, do you see anyone to challenge the justice sound?
Hey, senor, it's very foolish to fight for gold, senor, and to fight for a woman is rather foolish. But to challenge the soul like justice is man like justice. That is more than foolish.
Hey, you, senor, do you see anyone to challenge the justice sound? Nah. Hey, you, Japanese, you think you could kick faster than my bullet? Do you see any sound on your side to challenge the justice sound? Nah, justice is the greatest. Hey, you, Englishman, yeah, you, bloody fool, holy mackerel. Do you see anyone on your side to challenge the justice sound?
No more it, no more it. Justice is great. Justice great. Long live the justice.
Watch the more thing they do. The more thing they hear. I don't like it. Find something else. Well, y'all let it be known. From the north to the south, from east to the west, that Justice sound is the best. Anything wanna test? I'll be down there waiting at the diner. For if it's killing, the killing shall be gone. The wild, wild west.
Okay, I'm so let's it up now. Justice sound. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Them can't keep the justice down. Play them tune now when them want with the frowns. Rastafari ain't govern the throne, and they could never ever take thy crown. Who's a blessed? I say no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found a weapon, just only a jar of herbs. Cause I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Hey, 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 hey. People will say this and that, them can't stop the justice sound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even when they settle their traps, they just can't stop us now. Even when they set the roadblocks, they just can't stop us.
Pancho, Pancho, come here, come, Pancho. Pancho, go down to the canteen, get me a big bottle of tequila. As a matter of fact, change your plan, Pancho. Change your plan. Just reminds me the last time I was in New York City. New York City? New York City. Chin and his friends trying to poison me. I go get that tequila myself, Pancho, yeah. I go get that tequila myself. That reminds me, Pancho. Go down to the morgue. Find the undertaker. Order me a Chinese or a Japanese coffin. Anything of that sort will do. I don't know what I did that guy Chin. Rumor has it, every time he hears the Justice name, fire come out his nose. They're not like me and you, Pancho. We are the good guys. We feed the poor. No, Pancho, they're not like me and you. They are the worst kind, Pancho, the worst kind. Worse than a petty thief or the common thief, Pancho. These guys, they are the killers of dreams. They are the killers of careers. But the last time I checked the Wild Wild West, Pancho, we still run this. The last time I checked, Pancho, they are still the butler in this, Pancho. Pancho, everything on that ranch will have to die, Pancho. Every living thing on that farm will have to die, Pancho. Pancho, even the dogs, the cat. Do you got a saw to cut down the trees, Pancho? If you don't have a saw, Pancho, tie a rope around the tree and choke it till it hangs. Send every living thing to hell, Pancho. And if we don't see nothing else to kill Pancho, we poison the well, Pancho. Now let me get this bottle of tequila myself. Can't trust no one, Pancho. The Wild Wild West is not a pretty place.
Justice! And you're gonna get justice. Killer Dibby sound.
Justice throw them down, bury them on the ground. Hey, watch it. Justice gonna fight them hard, yeah, with the blatant record, yeah. We gonna fight them to the top, yes. Justice gonna fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. We gonna fight them to the top, yes. The idea at times get old, solid gold. But we're gonna find them, biff baff, left and right them. We're gonna hold this thing, and then we will laugh and sing. We're gonna fight them to the top. We'll never stop. No, justice on the go. Watch the big sound grow. Whoa, murder them below, kill them as you go.
Let me get that tequila myself. I may run into Josephine. You remember Josephine? Hello, Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, my baby? Like I remember you. Don't know what I'm gonna tell her now. I don't have no money to give her. I'm just gonna look at her and say, Josephine, if you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, girl, bring it to me. Bring your sweet love. Bring it home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I told you that justice gonna kill you, yeah. Don't try to fight me, you know. Justice! See, the more them fight, yeah, the stronger we get, and the stronger we get, and the lead we attack them can't test. No, see the justice the best. Whoa, see, the more them fight, yeah, the stronger we get. When we possess a hit, I worry them, I make them fret, them can't test. No, see the justice the best. Whoa, cause the narrow road leads to Zion, but the wide road leads to destruction. Hey, justice sound is strong. Yes, you got to be strong. A step we a step out to Babylon. A step we a step to Mount Zion. So I clean hearted you stride along. Yes, I clean hearted you stride along. Justice the more them fight, yeah, the stronger we get, and the stronger we get, and the lead we attack them can't test. No, say justice are the best. Rule the east and the west. Oh, them fight, yeah, the stronger we get. When we possess sight, I worry them, I make them fret.
I've been traveling these roads for a long time. Never scared or afraid to defend mine. My old papa once says to me, son, either you stand up for something or you're gonna fall for anything. So I decided to stand up for justice. From that day until now, I never stopped bust this. I have a score to settle, but my contender is nowhere to be found. I don't feel like sticking around. So I'm just gonna rob the bank and get the hell out of town.
Bullet, no mercy. Bullet. Juvenile. One time they should never make the get survive Jackson. Hill, Florida, warlord on the hill. Actions speak louder than word. Justice the talk, tell them to observe. Well, stay back and talk, get your heart beat like off, and your body away from the head and not. Hey, actions speak louder than word. Juvenile no talk, pussy also observe. Hey, stay back and talk, get your heart beat like off, body the west and the head and not. Better you dig dumb, cause you shouldn't talk. Else you wouldn't get a black Latina in your heart. Into marine head nice, justice not talk. Pop off and kill, family make me smart. No for them a this, can't pay the cost. Me the gun pop off, a nation dead off. Wipe off of the hurt, come back in the past. No make me get bringle and go if I get cross. No, auction speak louder than word. Justice not talk, so tell them observe. Hey, you stay there on target, your heart beat like off. Body there is on the head and heart. Hey, boy take a ball right now, war offense. Murder son boy, I mean no take statement. Justice a killer, we no long argument. Hey, me and me gun up on an experiment. We murder son boy, you no got no conscience. Call them for dead and me well confident. Gunshot me give them when I'm good for them help. With the son boy like a butter that melt. Me and me 45, shot line the belt. Right cross my chest with me some beer refill. This justice and just murder yourself. Auction speak.
Justice, my sound that. Justice, mighty in battle. Prince of Peace, my sound that. Me go check the War General Juvie. Hold up, Gambler, are you? You know how long me not see you? I just send you come Gambler. You don't know so me have a job for you. Me have some tune when me want to return to the artists them and collect back my money for them. For me voice them tune there, me never get a forward for them. Me don't know if them no voice them good or what. But all me know say, we want back with money for them, Gambler. Cause you know say, justice, we not play idiot tune. Well, you don't know. Justice are my son, and me say, justice. Them dead whenever time we bust this. So, Gambler, what you think? The tune them worth more or less? No. No must more, I can't less. From then till now, interest no must grow up on the money. I saw you go on in a Gambler. And the last time you tell me say, you're gonna make me get 2 Junior gang, cause you don't know say him use the name Justice and Boss. And you say you're gonna make me get 2 Junior gang dub plate. All now me can't get them. How you deal with Gambler? Hold on. Justice are my son, but me not afraid to bust this. Make me tell you something. The last time me running a Junior gang, he have a screw face for him. Me walk up to him and me say, live and let live, my brother. Who is the living king of reggae? He looked at me and he shout out, justice the youth them need overall. The way them deal with mankind, all me gal start ball. Then he jump in and car and drive off from then till now. Me not see the brother. But any which way, me have a good feeling. I'm gonna do it still. Me have a good feeling. Let me tell you something. Enough night me go dance. And me not hear the king of reggae play in at the dance. I want do some artists. Them have to bring some money come like how them bring it go radio station if them want hear them tune play around here. As a matter of fact, early Monday morning we could deal with the case. Me have a move to make. Me want to say the one motor. Want to ask him who is the living king of reggae. Full time somebody answer me.
You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead. Them say the cat got a 9 life, but this man got 99 life. Cause them pick him up, them lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead. Champion sound. Them wild, 1 pot of chocolate tea, and all the fried fish they caught in the sea. They also got 6 quarts of rum, saying that they waiting for the 9 night to come. The last time I heard them say that this man was dead. Them biting black eyes and them lay it all upon his head. Now the procession leads to the cemetery. The man holler out, don't you bury me. You pick him up, you lick him down and bounce right back. What a hard man for dead.
Original Justice, man. Champion sound.
I've been trying a long time, still I can't make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. It seems I have done something wrong, but I try to keep it down. Oh, God bless, no one curse. Thank God I'm not the worst. But I must come one day. But I must come.
Pull up that one, your Justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari.
I've been trying a long time, still I can't make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. It seems I have done something wrong, but I try to keep it down. Oh, God bless, no one curse. Thank God I'm not the worst, but I must come one day. But I must come. They can't conquer me. But I must come, yeah. I've been trying a long time, but I can't make it. No one to give me an help in the hand. They only try to keep me down. Oh, God bless, no one curse. Thank God I'm not the worst. Oh, my people can't see. They try to take advantage of me. But I must come, yeah. But I must come one day. But I must come.
Rastafari, no man. It's hot.
hear some little thief in some boy. I tried thief the justice name. Talk about them want a fast rise to fame. Whenever time I hold one of them, it won't be a nice day or night. Me hear one of the little thiefing boy live up at Canada. Canada? Yes, Canada. Maple Leaf. Talk about him name King Justice. I lie him a tell. Look how long the war General Juvie has been warning the people that justice is King Selassie's son, Marcus Garvey's son, Holy Emmanuel's son, Daniel Ban. Who them? Me no know. Them are just some common thief. Them breath a praise to the Mountie. Hold them before I and I. Here wanted a little thief in one talk about him name Justice Sound System. I wanted a little one talk about him name Justice Superior. Change your name. Me here wanted a thief in one talk about him name Maximum Justice. Whenever time I see him, I'm gonna bust this. Boom, bye, bye. Another one bite the dust. Another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bite the dust. Tell them better change them name. Me no like bootleg. Me no like imitator imposter. Me no like wannabe. Me no like carbon copy. This is the original justice. We first bust this.
Rastafari in the latest town. The King Selassie in the latest town. If them this justice sound, the whole of them is going down. Yeah man, the justice sound of the big sound. Lock the town, and again, me tell you something. Me tell you something, you know, a long way about the fire. Juvenile! That one of them, come you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. We tell them justice, we are the champions, and no little jump on. Well, me see clear down in the revelation. One man was worthy, then he is the lamb. We sit them on the throne and burn down Vatican. In a Geneva conference, something went wrong. Half of them then go where the man appear from. When the man speak, them down the congregation, them see Africa, America, in England, and said this man must be the mystical man, and not John Paul II. Yo, better know me ready for fuck up a jump on. When a business where them come from. Yo, no one tell them something again, see that. The one on name Chuck, come you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. We tell them justice, we are the champion, and no little jump on. Well, who no here we keep it and here justice. Don't a dibby boy.
More time we look for a situation and say, live and let live. But now them ya like a bad mind one ya. Now them ya one ya poison. Them ya one ya for dead.
Boom shaka. Boom shaka. Them a fight, but them can't fight the love I Them a fight, but them can't fight the love I
Pull up now on your justice. Hey, pull up this Rastafari, man. It's hot.
Original justice, man. Champion sound.
I make you know some new name from now on is Shabbat Justice.
Them a fight, but them can't fight the love I Them a fight, but them can't fight the love in my heart.
I'm gonna say justice, you know, say justice.
Chatty, righteousness. Yeah! I'm chatty, constructiveness. Let them say what they want to say. Let them do what they want to do. Because a time gonna come when the wicked them have to run up and down. Them have to run up and
I'm charging to righteousness. I'm charging to justice.
Ah, boy. Chin would have like to make you get wet still.
Hang him!
But the people them find you guilty. What is good for the gangster is also good for the imitator. I told you before, justice, the reward for good, and the punishment for evil. String him up, come we broke him neck.
Hang him! Hang him! Hang him! Hang him! Hang him!
Me is a man who believe in giving a man a chance still. Hang him! Hang him! Hear what me I say. Like how Ninja did just a work for feed him family. We are gonna give him a chance and slew the culprit. Alright, Ninja. You live to see another day. Ringo, let him go. But wait. Ninja is a real ninja. The man disappear already. The man move faster than Superman. What you say I must do with this bad mind one now? Come we kill him.
Hang him! Hang him! Hang him!
Hold on. Me no hang people. I know my style that. A sound we kill. But the people them find him guilty. And I me defend the justice. You know what? Come and go look for Bumpy. A Bumpy style that. Bumpy. What more? Bumpy.
Yo, hold on.
I mean, man, gambler, you don't have to worry about nothing today. Any other day, but not today. Me have one here for you, Bumpy. The people them find Judas guilty. Him in your hands now. See him there.
Hang him! Hang him! Hang him! Did you say hang him? Hang him!
Make me one coffee, dig me one grave.
Hang him! Hang him!
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Amen.
It no make sense your ball now. That can't save you.
We don't know the original Justice sound. Big up man like Justice. God, there's gonna be a hanging tonight. Hang him high. I just know the dance our Godfather saying. And a Justice song. Big up Justice. Come in it. We're gonna take them to the hanging tree. Another sound boy on the hanging tree. Sound boy test way. Them gonna hang up on the hanging tree. Any joker sound a come a try to test a wing. We mash them up, we chop them up, we hang them on a tree. That is the hanging tree. Justice of them on the hanging tree. And everybody singing Amen. 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 Everybody sing it. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Another zinc pan sound boy is bound to bite the dust. Everybody sing it. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Another zinc pan sound boy is bound to bite the dust. We're gonna hang them on the hanging tree. Another zinc pan on the hanging tree. Yeah! Me say you clash with justice. You're gonna hang up on the hanging tree. To the end
the joker sound now come and try to test away. So them a them up, we chop them up, we hang them on a tree. That is the hanging tree. They will be hanging on the hanging tree. And everybody singing amen, 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 amen. We're gonna take them to the hanging tree. Another zinc on the hanging tree.
Him neck just broke.
Son boy, you fuck with away.
Real recognize real. Big up to all of the true thugs them out there. Go and hold the faith. Come here, some little girl here talk for internet. Them never know what time it is yet. Them no worry we.
I heard payback's a motherfucking nigga. That's why I'm sick of getting treated like a goddamn stepchild. Fuck a punk cause I ain't him. You gotta deal with the 9-double-M. The day's coming that you all hate. Just think if niggas decide to retaliate and try to keep me from running up. I never tell you to get down, it's all about coming up. So what they do, going ban the AK. My shit wasn't registered any fucking way. So you better duck away, run and hide out. When I'm rolling real slow and the lights out. Cause I'm about to fuck up the program. Shooting out the window of a drop top pro hand. Well, I'm shooting, let's see who drop. The police, the media, suckers that win pop. The motherfuckers that say they too black. Put them overseas, they be begging to come back. They say we promote gangs and drugs. You wanna sweep a nigga like me up under the rug. Kicking shit, call street knowledge. Why more niggas in the pen than in college? And cause of that line, I might be your cellmate. That's from the nigga you love to hate. Yeah, haha. It's the nigga you love to hate. Your mother warned you about me. It's the nigga you love to hate. Yo, you ain't gonna nothing positive. Yo, you ain't gonna nothing positive, brother. What you gotta say for yourself? Once again, this song, the motherfucking psycho. Ice Cube, the bitch killer, cap killer. Yo, running through the line like boulders, no pop the piss in. I put my fist in. Now who do you love to hate? Cause I talk shit and down the 8-ball, coming on track. You're begging, I fall off. The cross cover, might as well put them balls on. And get your ass ready for the lynching. The vibe is dropping, common sense in. We'll gag in the pen, we'll shake anytime dickin'. Hey, I get your ass shaking, ain't about to right wrong you live, but how long you live. I ain't with the bullshit, I mean no bitches. No hoes don't wanna sleep, so I keep popping no dough. And tell the young people what they gotta know. Cause I hate when niggas gotta live low. And if you locked up, I try to get my style in. From saying quit to Rikers Island. We got them afraid of the funky shit. I like the clowns, so bump up the sound in your Jeep. Make the old ladies say, oh my God, wait, it's the nigga you love to hate. Yeah, come on, fool. It's the nigga you love to hate. Yeah, what up, punk? It's the nigga you love to hate.
You the fuck you think you want to fuck with bitches? You ain't all that. That's all I am. Bitch. I ain't nobody. Bitch.
A bitch is a so trained on lost they soul. Just call it train, cause the bitches look like hoes. I see a lot of others, damn. It almost look like the best thing. You asked me, did I like Arsenio? About as much as the price and tenure. I don't give a fuck about dissing these fools, cause they all scared of the Ice Cube. And what I say, what I betray, and all that. And they ain't even seen me yet. I don't wanna see no dancing, I'm sick of that shit. Listen to the hit, cause yo, if I look and see another brother on the video trying to outdance each other, I'ma tell T-Bone to pass the battle. And don't give me that shit about Roma. It ain't wise to chastise and preach. Just open the eyes of each, cause laws are made to be broken up. What niggas need to do is start loking up and build more and fold. They self in the shape of the nigga you love to hate.
Don't try to apprehend him.
Me not like when you have some little idiot contender versus the Justice and the dance done so early. That's it for today. Join me next time when the topic will be who is the living king of reggae. Me not talk about no dead king or no dancehall king, the living king of reggae. Every man a figure have an answer, cause I don't know where some of you play music for.
So every man a figure have a answer. And me say no for uno too. No build great ones. Uno only kill great ones. So join me next time. Cause me have a little issue with some sound. While pay the other sound them for take a dive. So then resume can look good. Figure world trash. It will continue.
All out the infantry. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm murder. 4. Check. You want one? Well, I was born brave, but I'm older now. Big cold from birth, but I'm older now. I'm murder. If you know some man a bad soldier over the years, and still a soldier now. So we a step on them. With the boots and we hype on my work. Can't tell your man a step on them. Them afraid to not see the quotes like don't work. We a step on them. We gonna rise like the sun and it's a step. Follow us, we a step on them. We a fall and a wait on them. Yo, though this command a dignitary, I will back it firmer than the military. I remember, we must if it's necessary. Run up on you with the berry, hold the berry. And yo, we have something where you blast like thunder, where you shoot like Ronaldo, and we're the same number. So if it is me, then you will be going under. We on you with a car and an under. When we are step on them. With the boots and we hype up and we're done. We are going to step on them. Never break it up in the past. We are step on them. We launch out the fight and the dog and we are step on them. Step like rain and man and we find them. Cash we are deal with, we not take check, we not accept check. Now disrespect. Informers score information like a disket. I murder when we lift this neck. Boy, this and a talk about a mistake he make. Oh, they never know say I saw the thing set. They never hear what those raps are in set. Say them a gangster, but them are insane. So we are step on them. With the boots and we hype up and we stand tight. We are step on them. Never break you know see the cross. Common sense, we are step on them.
Original Justice man, champion sound.
I shall not remove. I shall not remove. Just like a tree planted by the water.
Original Justice man, champion sound.
I shall not remove. I shall not remove. Just like a tree planted by the water. I shall not remove. Planted by the water, I shall not remove.
Original Justice man, champion sound.
Oh, keep it burning, yeah. Justice you can't cool. Anyway, and them on them dead row, living like dogs and drunk dead row, them living like pigs and go. Send them on them dead row, living like dogs and drunk dead row, them living like pigs and go. Well, Marcus Garvey up on the edge of the wind, so when the wind a blow, King Selassie stood up on the throne and he's the highest man I know. Emmanuel take the orders on the Leviticus show. I know for them still goes to blow. And all the wrong trumpet, all justice go catch them a blow. And all the wrong boat, we all go catch them a blow. From a little bit to grow, this a one thing me know. If a good seed you sow, then a good seed will grow. If a bad seed you sow, then a bad seed will grow. Rastafari the cock so when it grow. This justice you are gonna get overthrow. Them can't stop with style and them can't take with flow. Now the little youth them a make them go. Hey, justice are the baddest thing I know. Righteousness we can't get overthrown. Done them to and fro, fast and slow. Anyway, we got judgment again. Send them on them the truth. Living like dogs and jungle.
Blaze up fire, blaze up and find them. So you know. Yo, Ethiopian salute for the king, yeah. Justice a revolute a bigger thing, wow. 21 gun salute for the king, yeah. Juvenile a revolute a bigger thing, Scotland is saying. Like mountains round about Jerusalem, wow, yeah. So is Emperor Selassie, around I and I. Well, Juvenile a say, like mountains round about Jerusalem, wow, yeah. So it's only Emmanuel, around I and I. Well, Juvenile tell them, sing a song they say hypocritical because come like no come here so fake crowns them crackers. Babylon fool you yet accept your life because all of them are run them out of the vanity where you glitter. You're Emperor Selassie, like mountains round about Jerusalem. Boya, so is Emperor Selassie around I and I.
Well, justice, but easy to benign. Look it. But even though that children may seem outnumbered, a good over evil every time. And even when the children may seem scattered, justice come to save mankind. Yeah! We I see the wicked spread themselves like a green bay tree, soon to be cut down and then cast away. Why do the sound boys range from day to day? It's trying to stop the justice from giving Jah the praise. And though they fight, they're only fighting in vain. Cause by right, justice and rule and reign. Yeah! Even when the children may seem outnumbered, a good over evil every time. And even when the children may seem scattered, justice come to save mankind. But he who's got ears, just let him hear, Lord. And who's got eyes, then let them see. Whoa. Why do the sound boards range from day to day, and trying to stop the justice from giving Jah the praise? Yeah! And though they fight, they're only fighting in vain. Cause by right, justice and rule and reign. Yeah!
I'm recruiting soldiers for Jah army. Recruiting soldiers. Jah time is now. Satan forces
you want, and do you want more? And now you get what you want, to do you want more? You think it's the end, or do you want more?
I'm a son say justice, you know, say justice. You know, say justice.
Go down, back a bite, go down, back bite, go down, back bite, go down, back bite, down, back bite, go down, back bite, down, back bite, go down, back bite. Let's stab you in the back, and it's aim that turn and looking. You have them in the region, in the valley of decision. Now, what you want? One more. Yeah. What you get? One more. One more. Now.
Original justice, man. Champion sound.
You think it's the end? Or do you want more? You think it's the end?
Yo, justice. I'm a son say justice, you know, say justice. You know, say
I make you know some new name from now on is Shabba Justice. Shabba Justice.
Wagwan, my youth, it's the biggest boss, Ricky Rouse. And I'm saluting the justice movement.
Master Justice, Juvenile, gather around me. You see, today, got good news for you. You see, today, was coming to your temple, I stopped at the bridge of Governor Just Bill. There was a large crowd. 20 soundboy, they're dead. An informer told me these soundboy, they are assassins. Took one to assassinate the Justice, but found out Juvenile's too dangerous, so they kill himself instead. That the bastards pay.